afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Cazacu Adrian, and today I bring the news for you. As you can see, there are some poor and hungry people there, so we should take a better close at them. What do you want?
Food or money, please. Please.
You can have this. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Adrian again, and I bring you some fresh news about poor and hungry people. Today we've discovered that Dr. I Am Crazy has found a new way to help them. So
I found something. I'm going to see it clearly, okay?
So doctor, please.
Yeah.
More about this
Yes,
device.
here I'm collecting some pollution for them. I am Professor Crazy. Here you are. The pollution. I'm going to press on the button. Poor people. Food for poor people. Aha! Interesting.
Wow, Professor Crazy, you've solved 2 million goals at once. You are really a genius.
Stop!
Sadly, this is not the truth. This is only a movie. So we have to wake up.
Food now! Stop poverty!